Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I am so excited because we are going to Chanel. And in today's vlog, we're going to see so many rare pieces. A lot of very cute Chanel bags, but also a super rare Lady Dior, a Crocodile Hermes Kelly, and a very rare item at Louis Vuitton. And I'm so excited to show it all to you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. We're now at Chanel. I'm not gonna lie, I do want to start trying some of their clothing. It's just so cute and summery. Right away, we can see one of my favorite color Chanel bags, the pink cute like Chanel beige bag. It's so pretty, but we can also see this cute little like round clutch bag. It's a very unique shape, and I do think it's really cute for like a evening bag. They do have this star tracksuit, and it is kind of funny, but it is kind of very like Y2K, and it honestly does look really cozy. It's this beautiful like velvety material. So when it comes to comfort, I will give it that. Then we have this nylon coat right here, and I will say that it probably is durable, but the only really special thing about it is it does have these like cute crystal chains that do hang off it. So it is a very cute touch, but for the price point, I don't think adding a chain right there is worth it. This cardigan right here is very grandma-y, but this is also very cute for New Year's, and it's honestly so sparkly, so I will give it that. It shines like crazy, but we do start to get into some beautiful Chanel bags. We can see the classic white flat bag right there. Absolutely beautiful, and it's right next to the black and white tweed one, so that's super precious. Scrolling down, we do have some very classic lambskin bags as well. This one right here, I really do like it, and I am a fan of small bags like this, but when it comes to me on the sides like this, the accordion style bags, they just don't work for me. Because of that, it just doesn't fit everything the way that I need everything to fit, and it kind of just limits the room that you can use with it. So I do wish it was an open inside instead of an accordion style. Some classic Chanel clothing right here. We can see the black and white blazer, and it is a very iconic staple piece for Chanel. Some more cute Chanel clothing over here. Very pink, but one thing I will say is this cardigan right here is so cute and precious. This is something that I would 100% get, and to me it's also very Barbie as well. Something that really did catch my eye was this button up. Now, to be honest, it kind of does remind me of the sweater that I'm wearing today, and because of that, I actually really like it. This is something that I never would have thought to buy. However, I do want to go back and try this on because I really can't stop thinking about it. Scrolling down to look at some more clothes too, we do end up with this beautiful classic pink tweed jacket. You really can't go wrong with this one. Some accessories that really did catch my eye was this bracelet right here. Now, the bracelet, I thought it was so cute. The pearls with the Chanel there. Now, I actually should have checked the price on it because I actually do kind of want to get this as well, but it is very precious, so I do want to go back and look at it. Another precious dress is this one right here, and this one is so sparkly. Now, this one looks so comfortable to wear, and this would be so perfect for New Year's. The scarf right here, I have to say that I really do like that Chanel print. I think it's very fun colors, and I do really like it. But for me, when it comes to patent leather handbags, I personally just cannot get into them. It just kind of looks like fake plastic to me. When it comes to me, I could just personally never get one out of this material. When it comes to the style of the bag, it could work, but again, it would definitely have to be in a lambskin or a caviar. One of my favorite Chanel bags that I did see was this one right here. Now, this is absolutely so perfect, also because of the gold plating. This one just looks so vintage, how they actually used to use real gold, and the quality of it was just so smooth and so cool. I definitely really love that. So if they did have this in like a shoulder type bag, I would 100% get it with that giant CC logo on it. We do have this very cute orange trendy, and we will see a really cute one coming up as well. In this case, this crystal Chanel bag was so cute. Again, this is like the season for pinks, and the earrings behind it are so cute as well, but look at how the bag sparkles. It's just so cute and princessy. I totally love it. Again, we have some Chanel displays, which personally I question because putting a bag sideways like that is just gonna damage it. Someone's gonna end up asking for a discount if that's the only one in stock and it's like bent and just like weirdly shaped because of how it was displayed. So I don't know why they do that. They're just asking for trouble with that. But then this pink one over here is honestly so cute. I love this. Now the handle and the closure of it, that's what really gets me. The pink coloring with the gold is just so perfect. So that one, I totally love it. And over here, we do have such a special wall of trendies. Now look at that blue, look at that yellow, and look at that purple. It is so cute. So of course, you know me, I had to look at the purple one. And this lambskin, I tell you, on these bags, it is so smooth. Now, I do have the pink Chanel lambskin, and I will have it linked up above, but this bag, it's so perfect. It is the softest lambskin like I have ever felt on handbags, and I personally do love this bag. It was very scary to use at first, but I actually end up using it a lot now, and I'm a lot less scared using these bags, so it is totally cute and so worth it. Another beautiful purple tweed bag from them was this one right here with the cute little sequins in it. However, this one I could not try on because I'm wearing my Versace cashmere sweater, and there is no way I'm gonna get this caught on this tweed bag because this tweed bag will ruin my sweater in an instant. So because of that, you really just have to wear tweed bags with specific clothing, and definitely never cashmere. But you have the cute little like vanity box cases as well. Very cute, but for the price point, I definitely need a much bigger bag. Even though I say I need a big bag, this little pink one right here is so perfect. Now, in all honesty, I don't really buy small bags, but this one right here, I would totally recommend because again, it's so soft to touch, it's so beautiful to look at, and honestly, I love this one. Another thing I never really look at is the Chanel costume jewelry. So like the Chanel logo right here with the crystals on it, very, very cute. You honestly cannot go wrong with it. And I think this is something that I want to start collecting. They did show me a special necklace for collectors. Now, this is the Chanel double flat bag on an actual necklace. So how cute is that? It's so tiny though. And I should have asked for the price point, but we did see this cute hat right here. Now, they actually do pull out a hat, and it was the same print as the scarf we seen earlier. And I have to say, I actually really loved it, and I liked how it shaped my head better than my Versace ones as well, and the Prada one. I will have all of my bucket hats linked up above and in the description below, but the Chanel one was really cool. I did have footage of it, but I have no idea where it went, but I do like them. After Chanel, I went to Louis Vuitton, and how crazy is this giant stuffed animal? He is so gigantic, and he is made out of cashmere. So he is so soft, and I honestly love him so much. I want him so bad. But when it comes to the price of him, I think he was over $1,000 or maybe like $3,000. But he is so cute to have. I also went to Dior and we seen this beautiful, rare Crocodile Lady Dior bag. And this one was so, so beautiful. Now, personally, this bag is not for me, but the color of it, this is the one I would get. If I ever got one of these bags, this blue and this crocodile, it is so gorgeous. I would 100% get this one, definitely in a larger size, however. And as you know, I did post my Hermes vlog where I am officially on a waitlist for a Birkin, and we do take a look at this 2024 bag in black and gray. Very, very cute, but up here we have a Crocodile Kelly. Now, I will tell you right now, Crocodile Kelly, it's anywhere from like 30,000 up to like $80,000. This is so insane. The fact that they even have this in the store, it was so cool to look at. However, we also had a Birkin. Now, a Birkin, this one is so cute. As you know, I said that I am on the waitlist for a Birkin, but even my essay, I told her very specifically, I do want a size 40 or a 45. I am not the type just to accept any Birkin. I know people want to play the Hermes game, but in all honesty, I do like buying stuff, but I don't have enough money to where I could just like throw it around and buy a bag that I don't really care for just to eventually get one that I do want. So, when it comes to Hermes, I like their ashtrays. I like very rare items. Like they have a horse stuffed animal, and then they do have the classic blanket that I do like. So my spending history, it's not a lot there, and it never really will be a lot there. But if she can get me the specific color and size Birkin that I do want, well, then yes, I will get it. But looking at this Birkin, it's so cute. This was the size 30 or 35, and I actually will be going to Hermes to make a better vlog about all of this. But it's so fun, so definitely stay tuned for that. Next up to come is my Saks Fifth Avenue Christmas vlog. Now we will get to see all of these cute, sparkly Christmas handbags. There is so much to come still, including this giant Versace coat. And honestly, look at this Versace coat. It is so gigantic and so cute. Now, the vibes of this, I was 100% feeling it. And it was actually reasonably priced too. I think it was only like 1,300 or 1,800. And when it comes to coats, they're usually like 3,000. So, it's already half the price. And if this was on sale, it would be maybe like 600. So really, really good deal, especially for the future if you're like a sale king like me. So definitely stay tuned for that in the future. So in this vlog, so many amazing pieces. I actually really, really do love the Chanel trendies. As you know, I have my pink one right here, and it is so good. At first, I was really scared to use this bag, but I actually almost damaged it in my car. I had a bunch of stuff laying on top of it, and I had no idea that it fell and all of that happened. But when I went to go buff it out, I almost wanted to cry because there were so many lines, creases, and just the bag was completely like ruined and like nearly like folded in half. But for some reason, I buffed it out. I pressed on all of the lambskin leather, and it puffed out, and it literally looks brand new. So because of that, it made me a lot less scared to use it. But the Chanel bags, they're so good. There's so many that I do want. And stay tuned for my next vlog because I did show you a couple clips, and we will also see the Mean Girls at Saks Fifth Avenue because to me that's totally what these mannequins look like. But stay tuned for my next Christmas vlogs and have a great day. Au revoir.